It is officially fall, and it really truly only means one thing in New England: pumpkin spice lattes. Bigger than that, it means that it's apple picking season. So it's only fitting that Oreo come out with this flavor: apple pie Oreos. So here we see that it's gonna be a graham flavor cookie. I've never met an apple pie that is a graham crust, so I'm a little skeptical there, but whatever, I'm gonna roll with it. It doesn't really give you any more description in terms of the filling, but I'm thinking cinnamon. We all have had apple flavored things, so we can kind of get a sense of what that flavor is. I've been eating this for days. My opinion has gone back and forth. I've never been more confused about how I feel about an Oreo until I've tried the apple pie Oreos. You get the hit of cinnamon, which is really great and what you anticipate, and then this like weird flavor comes through, and then that settles down into being a little bit more cinnamony goodness, and then that weird flavor comes back again. Here we have the cookie. You can see that the graham flavor crust is on there, and then you can see the apple pie filling. First of all, I can already smell it, and it's strong. Don't like it. Second of all, from a visual standpoint, this cookie is a whole lot of blah. So obviously I took it to the streets. I had my people taste them. One of the ways that this Oreo is described is that it tastes the way a Yankee Candle smells. And really at the end of the day, it comes down to one main point. This is about to get real deep. I've put a lot of thought into this. If Oreo is trying to replicate real food, a real food item, replicating that flavor becomes incredibly difficult. But yet, when they try to replicate artificial flavors, like Swedish fish, it was controversial. It was a controversial flavor. But in terms of accuracy, it was spot on. Now, the best flavor, in my opinion, of all time is the Fruity Crisp limited edition flavor. That is supposed to taste like Fruity Pebbles. Perfect. Spot on. As soon as you opened it, smelled like cereal in a box. It tasted like the cereal in the box. It was phenomenal. But that also is an artificial flavor, which is why they were able to replicate it so well. Apple pie, I shouldn't be having mixed feelings about my Oreos. I should taste it and feel great about it. And I didn't feel great about it. Boop. So that's the next flavor that I'm going to be trying. I'm really excited to share it with you. So I hope you'll join me, and I'll see you guys next time.